The 10-year yield is getting a very good bounce, but again, we know that we were near support on the 10-year yield, right? So support was right down here, and now you're getting this little retrace bounce. We're back to 4.239 on the 10-year yield. How high can the 10-year yield go? Well, if you're asking me, folks, to me, it's just a technical factor here. This low here kind of coordinates with this area right in here. And again, so you're talking about 4.45, 4.5%. That would be, by the way, that would be an approximate 50% retrace of the drop we have seen. So I think that's kind of your upside maximum. By the way, what did I tell you guys before? When yields were at 5%, bear with me here as I get my drawing tool, when we were at 5% on yields, that was way too high. When we fell all the way down close to 4.1% on yields, that was way too low, right? So again, too high, too low, what does the market do? It's a pendulum, right? Or it slides this way and then too far this way, and after a while, what does it do? It comes right back center. And that's, again, the idea here is that probably the normal part of rates is right around that 4.45 area right in here, somewhere around that 50% retrace. Now, at least in the near term, right? As we get more economic news, the markets will obviously adjust expectations and where rates should be, but that's kind of what we're thinking. Okay. I'm going to go into crypto, obviously, in a minute, guys. We are seeing some altcoins making moves. Solana is just remarkable, no doubt about that. We'll talk about that in a minute. But I do want to show you a couple stocks. So this stock is Gilead Sciences, right? It's a big biotech stock. The reason I want to just show you this is it actually has kind of a nice chart setup here, right? Again, a lot of charts I show you I think are overbought. This one actually is reasonable as long as it holds this pattern. So what's the pattern do we have? We have this big move up, and then we have all of this consolidation, right? All of this consolidation. And essentially what you can do is you take that high, connect it there, connect it here, and if you can break above like $81, this actually has a decent potential move up. I like this flag pattern. This is a good bullish flag pattern of consolidation. The only thing you would not want is you don't want to see these lows get taken out. So 72, you'd want to say, okay, that's it. It doesn't work anymore. If I decide to take this trade, and I'm not in this trade as of now, but I'm watching it, if, again, we broke 72, it'd be like, cut it. Just be done with it. But again, I like the pattern. Look for a break above 81 in the coming weeks. Maybe that's a good setup on Gilead Sciences.